friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. In this video, I'm going to share you the top 5 trading movies that every trader must watch. Also, please make sure to watch my other video where I have recommended the top 5 books that every trader must read. This video, these movies that I share is not a review. These are just a suggestion from my end. In number 5 position, I would recommend Wolf of the Wall Street movie. This movie is based on a true story, a broker who went on to become a millionaire. So this is not more towards trading or stock market, but this is more towards sales, how to do sales. You can learn how to do sales from this movie. The main reason for you to watch this movie is because DiCaprio is acting, and Martin Scorsese, who is a well-known director in Hollywood. Apart from that, any movie which is related to stock market is very interesting to watch, right? In number 4 position, I would recommend The Boiler Room. If you like The Wolf of the Wall Street, I'm sure you will like this movie too. In some cases, it is slightly better than the Wolf of the Wall Street movie. This movie got released in 2001, and Vin Diesel is a part of this movie. In number 3 position, I would recommend The Wall Street. There are two movies actually. One released in 1987, and the another movie, The Wall Street Money Never Sleeps, which released in 2010, I guess. So the first one is really good. The second one is also good, but the 1987 movie Wall Street is a classic movie which is based on a stock market. Every trader has seen this, and I would recommend you to watch this movie as well. In number 2 position, I would recommend you to watch a series and not a movie. This series is called Billions. I'm not going to say anything about this series. Just go and watch it. It's very fun to watch. I have seen only 2 seasons. I think 4 seasons have come out, but I didn't get the chance to watch all the seasons. I didn't have the time. But I would recommend you to watch all the seasons. Okay. In number 1 spot, hands down, the most underrated and the best movie which is related to stock market is The Big Short. This movie is about 2008 financial crisis. I normally don't see a movie for 2 or 3 times, but I have personally seen this movie at least 4 or 5 times. Every time I watch this movie, I learn something very new. It's a very interesting story. It has full of knowledge, humor, and also sometimes emotional at the end. I don't care if you don't watch the movies that I have recommended in the past, but make sure to watch this movie. It's very interesting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to share this with at least 5 trading friends, and thank you so much guys for the support.